Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove background in Photoshop. So let's have a look now. At first, open Adobe Photoshop and open the image from which you want to remove the background. Once your image is open, go for Select from the menu. Then choose Subject and then add a layer mask. Create a layer, then a solid color. Now drag the layer behind the image layer. And there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.